Hey guys, welcome back to Xamarin guys. So in this tutorial we are going to delete an item from the list as well as add an item to that same specific list externally using MVVM approach. So let's go to our project. Inside our code behind of app.xaml, here I have initialized main page as my starting page. So let's go to main page.xaml. So here button and list view are added inside this tag layout. It's just a basic demo app. So you will see over here I have added add command for that button for MVVM way of getting that button clicked event inside the view model. Here I have initialized one list view where I have given its name as my list, and you can see over here the item source is collection list, which will get all is list content from view model. So here view cell has two controls, that is label as well as button. So there is one button which is going to send that specified list item whenever it is clicked using this delete command. So this add command and delete command is going to trigger inside our main page view model. So this button has a reference with that list view, so that we are going to send that specified list item with this command parameter towards our main page view model whenever that specific button is clicked. Let's add this collection list with list items. Before doing that, we should bind our main page with main page view model. You can see over here I have binded main page with my main view model so that I can get all my list items from here. So this bindable object is defined within Xamarin Forms. You can see over here. So we don't need to do any iNotify property changed if we use bindable object. So this collection list is going to be called inside our main page.xaml. You can see over here all the public properties are going to be accessed if that public property is defined as public in our view model. So let's create a model class named as offer model. So this is my offers model. Here I have defined a property named as name, which will be called whenever we are going to create list of that model. The case is same for our delete command as well as add command. Here a button as add command and a button as delete command is going to access our public property from main page view model. After giving access to our main page from our main page view model, it's time to add that specific list with some list items. So you can see over here the collection list equals new observable collection of that specific model class. So the model class has name property. We are going to add list of object out of that model class and then add it to collection list. Now if that delete command as well as add command is triggered, then on delete tab event is going to be triggered and add item event is going to be triggered as soon as this delete command as well as add command is clicked. So delete command as well as add command is going to be fired whenever our button is clicked. So after that add item is clicked, then we are going to create a model class object and then add that same collection list with that object model class. The case is same for the delete tabbed command. Whenever that delete button is clicked, then we are going to delete that specific item from that list. That is, this object is going to get that specific item out of that model class and then delete that content. That's all. So here you can see the command parameter is going to give all the value with respect to that specific item within that list. Then this object is going to take what was the item that was clicked, and then that same content is going to get deleted from that specified list. Let's run the project back again. Let's delete it. Let's add the item. That's all for this tutorial now. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch for next tutorials.